Space travel has long fascinated humanity, but beyond the iconic moon landings and spacewalks, there's a wealth of lesser-known facts that make this field even more extraordinary. Here are 10 surprising insights about space travel that will leave you in awe. 1. Spacesuits are miniature spacecraft. A spacesuit isn't just clothing, it's a personal spacecraft. Each suit provides life support, temperature regulation, and protection from micrometeoroids. They can cost upwards of $12 million each, with most of the expense in the life-supporting systems. 2. Astronauts grow taller in space. Without gravity compressing their spines, astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller during their time in microgravity. However, they return to their normal height once back on Earth. 3. Space has a distinct smell. Astronauts report that space has a unique scent described as a mix of seared steak, welding fumes, and raspberries. This odor clings to their suits and equipment when they return to the spacecraft. 4. Space travel can alter your vision. Prolonged exposure to microgravity can cause changes in the shape of the eye and increased pressure on the optic nerve. This condition, known as spaceflight-associated neuroocular syndrome, SONS, affects many astronauts. 5. Time passes differently in space. Thanks to Einstein's theory of relativity, astronauts experience time slightly slower than people on Earth. This phenomenon, called time dilation, becomes more significant at higher speeds. 6. Space is noisy inside a spaceship. While space itself is silent due to the lack of air, the interior of a spacecraft is far from quiet. Astronauts must endure constant noise from fans, pumps, and machinery, which can make sleep challenging. 7. Astronauts can lose muscle and bone mass. In microgravity, muscles and bones are no longer needed to support the body against gravity. Astronauts can lose up to 1% of bone mass per month and significant muscle strength without rigorous exercise. 8. Spacecraft don't fly in straight lines. To conserve fuel, spacecraft use curved trajectories based on gravity assists. This technique involves slingshotting around planets to gain speed and change direction. 9. Food tastes different in space. The lack of gravity affects how fluids distribute in the body, often leading to nasal congestion. As a result, astronauts' sense of taste diminishes, and they tend to prefer spicy or strongly flavored foods. 10. Trash disposal is a challenge. Waste management in space is complicated. On the International Space Station, ISS, trash is often compacted, stored, and then burned up upon re-entry into Earth's atmosphere using supply spacecraft. Space travel continues to reveal mysteries and challenges that push the boundaries of human ingenuity. With advancements in technology, these fascinating aspects of life beyond Earth serve as reminders of how much there is yet to explore.